how to change the phone number using calling in Google Meet. So the first thing you do is open up the app, the Google Meet app on Google Workspace. You click on the three lines in the top left corner over here. This opens up three options: privacy and Meet, settings, and help and feedback. The next thing you're going to do is click on settings. Now, once you've clicked on settings, you're given three options: calling settings, missing settings, and blocked user settings. Click on calling settings. It gives us four options: calling account, in-call settings, message settings, and notifications. So what you do is you click on calling account. So that gives you the options, these 6 options, which is to change your phone number, Google account, to let people call you with your email address, and to sign in, manage calling history, and delete calling account. Now what you want to do, you want to change the phone number, so we click on change over here. Now notice this, you have to make sure that your new number can receive text before continuing to avoid missing calls or messages. Don't forget to actually rejoin the groups after registering your new number, which means calling, because once you've changed the phone number, you'll be locked out of that group. You have to rejoin the group. So if you're sure of this, you click on continue. If you're not sure, you click on cancel. Now when you click on continue, it opens up this option where you let people reach you with your phone number. Now you can turn on better sharing on Google for your number to let people contact you using your phone number and be reachable through other Google services. Google will send you a one-time SMS message. Operator rates may apply. Now, this is your current phone number. You can try to add a new one by clicking on the next line, which is add a new phone number. Here, you add a new phone number and go through the whole registration process. It's as simple as that. That is how to change phone numbers used in calling in Google Meet. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this.